The Lagos Calabar Road project is a significant infrastructure initiative aimed at enhancing transportation network along the southern coastline, running from Lagos through the 8 coastal states up to Cross River. Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So we're talking about how the Lagos to Calabar highway project will be improving the standard of living of Nigerians. What is the essence of construction of this massive project in the country? Why is the government building this kind of massive project? How it will affect our daily lives, and what are the positive parts of this project, guys? So you know what you do, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos and like this, for more like this, guys. So the project involved the construction of a modern road spanning approximately 700 kilometers connecting Lagos to Calabar, while linking major urban centers, industrial hubs, seaports along the coastal southern coast. So guys, this project is actually a 700-kilometer road that is actually long and massive, guys. It will be connecting Lagos to Calabar directly. Oh guys, this is really a massive project that we all should look up to in Nigeria. It will be linking a lot of industrial hubs together, you know. That is a lot of employment, and easy for people to move from one part of the country to another for your work, for your job. You can easily access industries within not much time, yeah. And southern coast. So the roads starts from Lagos, the Lekki deep sea port, and runs through Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Bayelsa River, and Akwa Ibom to Cross River Calabar, guys. So this is where the road is going to be passing through major cities in Nigeria, in the southern Nigeria, guys. So it's going to pass through Ondo State, Ogun, Delta, Bayelsa to Akwa Ibom, then to Cross River, guys. So this is a major massive project where everybody is looking for, and this is going to be creating a lot of employment. It's already creating, because the work has started about a month ago now. Actually, this project has been flagged off, just been flagged off 2 months ago by the Nigerian president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the project has started, and there is a lot of construction workers working on the project, as you can see right now on the screen, guys. So this project is actually a 1.6 trillion dollar naira contract for the construction of the first phase of the coastal road, guys. The first phase cost 1.6 trillion naira, and it's going to be a dual carriage way of 5 lanes on each side and a train track in the middle. This is massive, guys, having a train track in the middle of the road, and also it's going to be a 5 lane on the, it's a dual carriageway, 5 lane in the right and 5 lanes on the left. How massive! So guys, imagine having that kind of road that is going to connect Lagos to Calabar, guys. This is a big thing that is happening in our country, and it's going to be improving the lives of Nigerians in some certain ways, definitely. So the project will stimulate economic growth, it will facilitate trade, and enhance regional integration by improving connectivity and reducing travel time between economic key zones. Yes, of course, guys. So by moving from Lagos to Ogun or Delta, you don't need a lot. When this road is there, you just cross, you just move straight up, no need. This is going to be connecting and reducing a lot of travel times between economical zones. So instead of passing through the city, you can just pass through the coastal line and get to these major places in Nigeria. Additionally, guys, the road is expected to have a far-reaching socio-economic benefit, including the creation of employment opportunities, promotion of tourism, real estate development as well. Guys, you should know there's going to be a lot of development along the road as well in the real estate sectors as well. There should be a lot of companies and real estate developers that is going to be developing maybe housing or commercial zones in this route. That is for sure. Yes, guys. So if you're interested in building some real estate, you should consider along the coastline. I'm not saying you should build or develop a place on the road before you, because you might get cleared off. It might get demolished, but you should do it strategically, guys. So that's for sure. The Lagos Calabar Road project holds the potential for unlocking the hidden productivity of the countries. Yes, guys, just like as I mentioned, it is going to be unlocking a lot of real estate development, guys, and it's going to be giving employment opportunities to and also for promotion of tourism from one economic zone to me. Yeah, I might just want to go to Calabar right now. I don't need to go to pass a long route. I might just follow the coastal route, guys, and it will be more faster for me to get to Calabar. I might want to visit the Obudu Ranch, all those beautiful places. So this is actually going to improve transportation in Nigeria, guys, and also lower transportational cost, because if you pass through the coastal shoreline, it will be more cheaper for you to access, and also enhance to access your businesses all over the zones, guys. So this is a spur investment, stimulates trade and economic in Nigeria, guys. So guys, this is some kind of the way the construction of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Road will be improving the standard of living life of Nigerians, guys. So thanks for the video. Thanks for tuning in to this channel. I hope you're gonna smash the like button and stay subscribed for more content like this, guys, on my channel. I love you all. See you. Peace and love.